Hey aunties, it's your girl Paula and welcome back to my channel. Happy 2019. I know I'm late to the show. Okay, I was still working in December, so yeah, but better late than never, right? So I thought since it's a new year, I need a new start, organize my life, and that starts by me organizing my ta-da! My shelf, my hair shelf. Like this is like my trophy shelf of products, my mini clicks, mini disc cam, and I just wanted to bring you guys in and you guys get to see me organize myself, take out some stuff, give away some stuff as well. Yeah, I'm gonna give away some stuff that I don't always use, because there's no point of me just accumulating products upon products, because I have a lot. Okay, I have a lot. As you can see, like, what do you need to organize? It looks organized. No, it's not organized. There's that, and then I have boxes here. Exhibit A. I have some boxes here from PR, and I still have a lot of clicks, sample size stuff from the Clicks Curls event, and from a lot of shows, exhibits, events that I go to. I just get so many products. I have so many products. So what better way than to give? Also, oh, my teeth. On another note, we are close to 1K. Okay, we are close to hitting our first 1,000 subscribers, so I would really love it if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, click on the bell. Every time I drop a video, you guys get notified and you're the first to watch. Also, at the end of the video, then I can decide how I'm gonna give away everything, but chances are I will announce the winner on Instagram. It's gonna be a Instagram and YouTube giveaway, because I'm sure I have quite a number of stuff to give away, so I'll probably have four hampers to give away. So I'll give away 2 on Instagram and 2 on YouTube. I think that's fair. So let's get this video started. Okay, is organize all the sample sizes into these little baskets. I got these from Mr. Price when I bought my laundry basket, so it comes with 2 of these small ones and a medium-sized basket, so I'm gonna just organize them in there. Okay, so you guys are probably wondering, Paula, how did you get all these products? Well, first thing is, when I started taking my hair very seriously, I subscribed to a monthly subscription type of thing where you pay 70 rands and then they send you sample sizes, right? So I did that for quite a number of months, and the company is called Noir Beauty, something like that. I'll look for the name of it and I'll put it in the description box. Noir Beauty, and it was very cheap, so every month I had at least, you know, some sort of content to give you guys and stuff like that. So, but I did stop the subscription because their services were whack. Like, you would pay for the stuff and then they would just keep quiet on you, or the stuff would take so long. It was supposed to come every like 1st of the month or whatever, but they were just not organized, so I stopped. And then obviously this is from Clicks Curls event. Clicks Curls will give you a lot of these sample sizes to try out. This one in particular, let's see. This one in particular I got from Jumbo Expo. They had a very big expo for hairdressers. I came to find out it was for hairdressers, but my sister and I went. I even have this picture of the 2 of us. We went and we had a good time. They gave us a lot of stuff. Okay, they gave us a lot of stuff. So all these I need to put in here. And often when I go to these hair events, I go with my boyfriend, so that means I get 2 hampers for me. I mean, I give him some stuff, but obviously I take most of the stuff, and if he doesn't use it, he's going to give his sister. So I've got a lot of these Aunt Jackie's, and I got a lot of duplicates, so I think I'm gonna make one of the hampers a sample size hamper to give away. Okay, so this is how I've organized it. You can see I have some Hask in here. I've got some Twisted Sister, some Sheer Moisture, some Mark Anthony. This stuff is good stuff. This is some really good stuff right here. I've got some Palmer's. I also like this olive oil. I was surprised at it. It's really dope. It's really nice. I've got some argan oil from ORS. I've got some Design Essentials. Do I have this? I think I have this. I'll add it in here. Do I have this? I think, yes, I have this. Okay. And then I have some more ORS stuff, the Curls Unleashed range, and then this Naughty stuff. I haven't tried this, so these are stuff that I haven't really tried, like in terms of the full sizes, so I'm going to keep them just to experiment with, because sample sizes are so important. If you can get a hold of some, try them so that you can see if the product works or not, so that you don't have to commit yourself to a big tub of stuff, of nonsense that's not gonna work for you, you know. So yeah, I'll find some way to put this, and then to give away for all the sample sizes, this is one prize. There's a lot of Aunt Jackie stuff. There's some My Natural, there's this edge control from Cantu, if you like Cantu. There's some big size products from Kyville. Haven't tried that. We've got some Curls to Go and Design Essential stuff. So that's one hamper ready to go. The bigger product sizes, you're probably wondering how I got them. First thing that I do is when I buy products, I wait for Clicks 3 for 2 specials. I don't like to buy one product at a time. I think it's beneficial to buy 2 so that the other product is free, right? And then majority of the stuff I have, I was sent for PR to review. You guys know I do reviews. You can click up here to see all. And then the other times that I did get products was because I won them. Like, just because I'm an influencer doesn't mean I don't want to win products, you know. So last year there was a time when I won quite a number of products all at once, so that really helped, you know, fill up my shelf. And then like from the sample size stuff, I got them from Clicks, like a lot of them from Clicks, so you should click up here also just to see my my perspective of the Clicks event that happened last year. Hope they have another one this year in a bigger space this year. So what I'm going to do now is I have full collections on most of them, and the ones that are full, I'm going to put them at the top shelf and then take out some stuff that I don't use anymore. So let's get started. This one I'm going to take out. I've only used it once and I didn't like it. It flaked on me. It was quite bad. So I'm going to give this to somebody, hopefully who has high porosity hair. It will work better for them. So I haven't really tried out this conditioner. I don't think my hair liked it. I only used it once. You can kind of see that I didn't use it often. I don't know if I should keep this or I should give it away. What do you guys say? I think I'll give it away. I think there's no point of me having this. If I haven't used it ever since that one time, so there's a reason. But these two I'm keeping because these two are actually very, very moisturizing. They're thick, so they work as a perfect sealant. They were supposed to give me a shampoo, but they ran out of shampoo, so they gave me a star. I don't know, I think it was quite stupid, but anyway, whatever. How I like to pack my stuff is I like to pack them as a full product range, you know, like I like to pack them together. That way it's easier for me to know that, okay, this is the Aunt Jackie corner, you know. So if I have 2 or less, I'm gonna put them at the bottom shelf because they're not as many, and there's some miscellaneous ones that are just by themselves, so I'll put that one at the bottom. Okay, so I have this Palmer's coconut oil repairing conditioner, and my hair didn't like it. This was the time when my hair was very protein sensitive and was coming out like toothpaste. It was just weird on my hair. It wasn't moisturizing whatsoever, so I'm definitely gonna give this away. Okay, so I have 2 of these. I'm gonna give this one away, and I have 2 of the plating pudding cream. I hardly use this. I do have a video using this. You can click on it here, I think. And ever since then I haven't really used it, so I might as well just give these away also. So I have 2 of these, but I'm going to keep them because they're that good. Okay, for my hair, for my weaves, for everything, I'm going to keep. I'm definitely going to keep. Okay, so for the Girl Boss, I have reviewed them before, and I have reviewed them. I gave my honest first impressions, and upon further research, it turns out these products are they're not that great. Okay, I do not plan on using them again. So if there's anybody who actually wants to use these, I will give them away to 1 person as a set if you're interested. So you'll know what to do if you want to get yourself. Okay, so I love me some design essentials. All right, aunties, I love me some design essentials. These ones I actually bought from the States. These are for like when you straighten your hair, and the plan was to transition for longer than 2 years. I wanted to transition for 3, but I ended up cutting my hair and they came a bit late. And I did record me straightening my hair, but then I lost the footage, so I'll have to wait to do it again. Okay, so in this basket I've put in all my hair weaving caps and wig caps. And then I have all my powders. I have Brahmi here and Amla at the back. I also have Moringa powder. I use these to deep condition for my, like, you know, Ayurvedic hair sessions. And then I have some of the smaller oils. I have an oil from The Perfect Hair, my Holy Grail Jamaican black castor oil. And then I have some essential oils here. Peppermint, and then I have rosemary, but I can't find where the other rosemary is. So I have 2 peppermints and a rosemary somewhere. I have to look for it. So this is the entire collection. Anything that is just like miscellaneous is in that 4th shelf. And yeah, I think I did a pretty good job of organizing. So this is everything I own, and we've got quite a number of things to give away, so stay tuned for that. Well, that's it, aunties. So just a recap as to what I'm gonna give away. I hope you're excited for that. So you saw the first thing, which is it's now really full. It's the packet of all sample sizes. That's 1. Secondly, it's the Girl Boss stuff that I showed you. And then from my shelf, I have some Afro Botanics. I've tried this co-wash from Carol's daughter and it wasn't so great. My hair didn't like this too much. it wasn't so great. So there's 3 things here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items as the third prize. And then the fourth prize is this hamper with some more Afro Botanics products. I'm really considering keeping this because I really love this leave-in. Like it's amazing. Okay, but let me be generous. Okay, so we have 4 things up for grabs. I wanted to give away the My Natural. I'm still deciding. So you know, maybe there'll be a bonus winner, but I'm still to think of the criteria for why there should be a bonus winner. I'm joking. I'm still trying to think of a criteria as to how I'm gonna give away like a bonus hamper, as in for what reason. I'm gonna think about it. I'll think about it. So that brings me to the end of this video. I hope it's not a long video, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm really grateful for all the things that I've accomplished, for all the brands I've gotten to work with, and for more brands to come. So all you have to do so far is subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment as to which product you want to win. Obviously, these prizes are valid for anyone living in South Africa and anyone subscribed to my channel. Duh. So that's it, you guys. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna put it here somewhere, I think, or yeah, something like that. Watch the next video. You've got make time.